Hey guys, it's me TJ here, and I'm back with another Hot Wheels unboxing video for you guys today. So, I have 6 cars right here to showcase to you guys, so let's get right into it. First one, right here, is Clip Rod. It's new for 2020. It has a special feature. It's also best for track. And it's in the Experimotors series. So you guys can pause the video if you want to read about Clip Rod right there. So yeah, there's the special feature. It's got like a money clip right there, which is pretty cool. So yeah. Let's get right into the unboxing. Okay. Okay. Here it is. It's got the blue clip and it does open. It's got the cash symbol on the front, which looks really nice. Cool looking wheels. Yeah, so there is Clip Rod. Next up, we have, it's also new for 2020. It also has a special feature. It's also in the Experimotors series. It is Speed Driver. So you can pause the video if you want to read about Speed Driver right there. And there is the special feature, I guess. It's like a wrench, which is pretty cool. So, yeah. Right there. I think you guys could see that. Okay. But, yeah, let's get into it. That was pretty easy. Came right out. Here it is. Reminds me of Tool again. The Hot Wheels with the wrench on the back. I'll put a picture of Tool again on the screen right now for you guys to see. So yeah, that is Tool. That's what Tool again looks like. But here is Speed Driver. There we go. Pretty cool looking. I like it. It says Speed Driver on the side. Nice red. There's the wrench. So, yeah. There is Speed Driver. Our third one, right here, is also new for 2020. It's in the Baja Blazers series right there. It is Geoterra. So you can pause the video if you guys want to read about Geoterra. So, yeah, let's open it. There we go. Here is Geoterra right here. It's got a nice blue. It's got like a spider on the side, which looks really cool. I think you guys could see that. Looks really nice. And actually, I'll be right back after this break. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, here's Geoterra. It says like angled on the side, angled racing. Number 9's got a cool spider. Got the yellow canopy, which looks really nice. Some off-road wheels. It's got a tire in the back, so that looks really good. Okay, so it's our next one is, it's also new for 2020. Right there, it's best for track. It is in the Hot Wheels Street Beast. It is Veloci-Racer. And you can pause the video if you guys want to read about Veloci-Racer. Right there. So, yeah, let's open it. Here it is, right here. Looks really nice. Right here, it's got the big tail, the pipes coming out the back. You can see the mouth right there. The claws on the front of the tires also looks really cool. The wheels look cool as well. It's got the nice Hot Wheels logo in there, and the stripes looks pretty cool. So there was Veloci-Racer. Next up is Octane. If you guys watched some of my previous unboxings, you will know that I already unboxed an Octane, but that was a blue one. Here is a red version of Octane. It's not new, and it doesn't have special feature, and it's not best for track, but it is in the Hot Wheels Screen Time series. You can just read about Hot Wheels Screen Time there if you want to pause the video. So, and it's in Rocket League. And yeah, the Rocket League logo actually has Octane on it. If you look closely, you can see that it's actually Octane, so yeah. Let's open it. Okay, so here is the red Octane right here. I think it looks really nice. It says Rocket League on the hood. It's got the nice bumper and the wing in the back. Looks really nice. So yeah, there's a Hot Wheels logo right here. There's the back view. All in all, I like it. Okay. And the last one for this video. I have a red version of this guy, but the green version looks really nice. It is Croc Rod. It's not new for 2020, not best for track, and no special feature, but it is the Hot Wheels Street Beast series, so you can pause the video if you want to read about Street Beasts. So yeah, let's open Croc Rod. It's like a crocodile car, as the name suggests, Croc Rod. Here it is. It looks really cool. I'll be right back after this break. Okay, I'm back. So here is Croc Rod. You can see the teeth there. Looks really nice if you look. There are the teeth, the nice green wheels, the tail coming out, the pipes in the back. It looks really nice. So, yeah. Right, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!